Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then tie a low ponytail at the bottom. Divide the low ponytail into two parts and then pull each of the two parts through the top sections created. Now pull it through the center once more and then join the hair together as such. Tie a rubber band to it, take the excess amount of hair, fasten it in place using a bobby pin as such. Add a decorative clip at the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, make two ponytails at the back, then take the left side ponytail, pull it through the top right section, take the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left side section. Now, fasten the excess amount of hair in place and then add a decorative clip at the top. Next, start off by tying a high ponytail to the hair, loosen it slightly and then twist this ponytail as such. Now, add a decorative pin through the side of it, add a rubber band in the middle section, then use a multiple prong pin at the base to fasten it in its place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then divide the hair into two parts, and then create two ponytails out of it. Now, taking the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left section, take the left side ponytail, pull it through the top right side section. Fasten the excess amount of hair in place, then use a multi-level clip at the top. Make a braid at the back of the hair as such, leaving a section out from the front. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now, taking the section you've left out from the front, add a rubber band in the middle of this. Roll it up into a bun and then wrap it around the braid you have created. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, make a small bun out of it, then divide the hair into two parts, add a rubber band at the end of it, roll the hair in on itself, twist it, and then wrap it around the bun as such. Take the excess amount of hair remaining and then fasten it in place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair as such. Make a small bun out of it at the base and then tie a rubber band to the end of it, roll it upwards into a bun, use a multiple prong decorative pin to fasten it in its place. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then tie a low ponytail to the hair, add a rubber band in the middle, wrap it up into a bun as such, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place, and then add a decorative clip at the top of it all. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail to the hair, add a rubber band in the middle. Roll the hair upwards as such, roll it up and then fasten it in place using a decorative multiple prong pin in order to do so. This is what it should look like. Adjust the back bun of it accordingly. Take a clip and then twist the hair around the arm of the clip and then fasten it in place by twisting the clip. Next, gather all of the hair together and then twist it around the finger, make a bun out of it and then use this decorative clip in order to fasten it in its place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, lift it up and then clip it in place using this multi-level clip. Divide the bottom portion of the hair into three parts, insert each of these three parts into each of the levels of the clip. Now add a rubber band at the end of the hair, fasten it in place using a multiple prong pin. Next, use this multi-level clip, take a section from the middle, twist it, insert it into the middle section. Take a section from the right side, twist it, once again, insert it into the middle section. Take a section from the left, twist it, insert it into the left side of the clip. Do the same with the right side. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail, make a bun out of it, lift it upwards, and then add your decorative clip on top of this. Next, start off by tying a braid out of the hair, lift it upwards and then tie it up in place using a bobby pin. Next, take the section left out in the front and the side and then add a rubber band in the middle section of it, make it into a bun, and then using a multiple prong decorative pin, pin it through the side, cover the bun out of this. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together, wrap it around one finger as such, and then make a bun shape out of it. Now, once you are done with this, take your decorative clip, wrap it around it, and then twist it to fasten it. Thank you for watching.